Pragya! Go, 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 go!
I just don't want to go. You can record.
The bungee jump. It was very good. Yeah, and the zip line.
This crowd doesn't make sense. Mr. Beast has opened his brand new amusement park and his very first amusement park, Beastland, in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. This is the second time we are coming here. The opening was on 13th of November, today is 15th of November, so it is kind of the first weekend after the opening. Today we are going to spend 8 hours here and check it out if it's worth it. We are going to compete against each other, we're gonna compete alone. So let's go and check it out and challenge each other. Let's do it! Ooh, we have entered the Beastland, and first we need to head to the gamer station to collect the wristband. Rohit is collecting his band. So we are going to enter from the beast's mouth. Make sure you're collecting your gamer's wristband once you're entering, like this. Yes, so that will help you to tap every time you go in front of a game. You need to collect it from the gamer station. We entered from Beastland and we are heading towards the Beast Arena. So last day when we came here, we missed out all these things because it was like fully packed for Mr. Beast and we were all busy there. So we could not see all these things. They were giving out free cokes if you get to win one, if you spin the wheel.
Okay, this is the map of this entire arena here. So you see these are the Beast Arena games. There are 12 games here. Then there are 14 rides here. So then you see there are a lot of retail shops, then food section. This is where we entered the Beastland, and right now we are here. This is the center stage, or no, this is the mystery box.
There are so many things to explore. It's huge. Okay, let's go to a Beastland, otherwise it's gonna get crowded and we have to cover a lot. Here's the Beast Arena. Oops, Beast Arena opens at 5 p.m. Can we go to the rides now?
Right, let's try out other games that are here in the exteriors.
Games can wait, roller coaster can't. So let's go to the roller coaster. I don't know if it's working or not because the last day it wasn't working. So let's see. This is the ticketing office. Even if you have the online ticket, you need to come here and get a wristband.
Regular queue and this is fast queue. Energizer. As we have Beast Mode tickets with us, there are 3 rides included with this ticket. So we got these cards which we can use for 3 rides.
My baby is going to play football and this is what he chose, that he wants to do it before the roller coaster. So okay, cool, he's waiting.
Here the rules are you have to hit the targets. So there are 3 targets. If you hit all 3 of them, you get 1000 points.
Are you stressed?
Yeah, a bit. I have to collect some points here.
Oh, you can do it. Oh! Oh! Ooh. The rule of the game is there are 3 courses and every time you put one ball in the hole, you get 3000 points. So you can win up to 9000 points, but for the first shot only you get 3000 points, rest 1000 points.
Oh, that's good.
You can never escape your tummy, so if, after playing the games you'll be hungry for sure, and this is where you're gonna come. They have a lot of options. You can see the total food court and they have Domino's, Dunkin', Bayansera, Split, Mexica, a lot of things, and we'll show you the prices later. Guys, I'm going for this airmail game.
This is the real challenge.
The concept is to throw there at the bullseye.
How are you feeling?
Great, very excited. Guys, he just hit in blue. Just see, right in the middle. Guys, we did the ML and it was so fun. And you hit it at the bullseye. So that gives us, that gives him 5,000 points. I got 500 points. The next one is a warrior challenge. So this one, there's a whole circuit where you need to cross it without falling.
It's very tough, guys. This is the toughest game probably.
Okay, according to you, this is the toughest. Okay, cool. But I think bungee jumping is.
That's out of the league.
So Rohit is gonna do this. I'm not gonna do this because of my shoes. So let's wish him luck.
Okay, Rohit. I guess you can do it. Yalla ya Rohit.
Wow, I'm
Yalla ya Rohit. Yalla.
Amazing.
Yalla ya Rohit. Rohit. Catch up. Rohit. Someone here filming you, Rohit. Rohit. Rohit, you have to win. Support,
Go.
support your husband.
Yes. Go for it.
Yalla, Rohit. Go for it, Rohit. Rohit, what's going on? No more, Rohit.
Man, I knew this is the toughest. This is the queue for maze, guys. There's a 45-minute waiting time here.
Yeah, you want together?
একটাতেই যাবো একটাতেও যেতে পারি হ্যাঁ
Where do we go? Left or right? You need to finish this, but don't touch the laser.
Come on. Come, Chiku. Not this one. Second.
Good job.
We played this as a team. That's it. Experience, guys. It was super fun. There was a lot of cubes, sponge cubes, so which I didn't want to cross. I didn't see him coming, so I went after that. Then I saw him waiting outside, and he's saying, "Okay, we are second." I said, "Oh, okay, cool." But there was one scam kind of thing that we felt. Only one of us could get the points. We got 3,000 collectively, but that was scanned in Rohit's wristband. Then why did they even offer us to compete as a team? We could have done it in separate. Rohit has collected 12,000 points and I have collected 2,500 points. So the last 3,000 is divided 1,500.
Yes.
Yeah, right? We are going to lights out. So the rule of the game is you can see the lights. The two persons will be playing as a team, and the lights you can see. The first person who will be going will be pressing all the buttons on level 1 and then will come back, and then the next person will go and then tap all the lights in the second one, and he will come back, and then the process will be repeated. Whichever team does it first will get 5,000 points. How much points did we get?
500. Why?
One of the team was cheating. One team was cheating to get 100 points.
Oh.
One of them, no, you were.
Lights Out was really fun. We played really well, but we were two. Like in a team, there should be 4. So more two people joined us, but one of them has cheated on the game. So even after coming second, we got only 500 points. So that was really sad, isn't it?
Really sad, man.
We are going to the drop zone. Next is drop zone, and for that you can see the waiting time is 1 hour. The queue is really long, and everyone wants to play this game. And most wanted game of Beastland, you can say. There will be a fall, which you generally get to see in Mr. Beast videos. So let's do this.
This game will test your memory. So here there are 3 rounds. In each round there will be a sequence of lights that will come up. You'll have to press the lights in the correct order, and if you don't, you will drop. So that's the fun here.
So looks like we'll have to make a mistake for that fall.
There she is. She's still trying to come out. She's still trying to come out. She's having fun.
Guys, he's doing it good because he was afraid of the fall.
We have very diverging interests. I didn't want to fall and she wanted to fall there.
Because of course that's the fun. Otherwise, why would it be named Drop Zone? Come on. That was really fun, by the way. I had a hard time coming out of the sponge
She
thing.
wasn't coming out. She was enjoying.
The time right now is exactly 8:06 p.m. and we have played 5 games out of the 12 games in Beast Arena. And right now we will be playing Tar Siege, baby's favorite. There are so many trebuchets, but half of them are not working, half of them are not operational. Only 2 or 3 are working. Like, what is this? Come on, why did you even make so many? We have been waiting for 45 minutes almost, and it's so boring. I feel so sleepy, and I really think for this game, this crowd doesn't make sense.
Welcome to Tower Siege. Yeah. This game is very fun. Go!
After waiting for 1 hour, we got only 500 points.
Each.
We were not able to put even one ball inside the tower.
I did not like this game. Finally, after doing everything, we got time to do Energizer, like just to energize ourselves, especially after the trebuchet, right? What was the name? Tar Siege, right?
Tower Siege.
Ah.
It's so boring, man. Tower Siege is just very boring. ऐसा फीलिंग आ रहा है कि जल्दी बस खत्म हो जाए.
क्यों? क्या हुआ?
I am not interested going there.
Are you scared?
Yes. I just don't want to go. I'm just going because of you. Because of you.
Honestly, after doing this, okay, I feel energized, but I don't feel that it was that scary. It's not that scary. This is not one of the most scariest, I would say. Not the scariest, I said. I did not even scream.
For me, every roller coaster is scariest. So I know the trick now. So I just close my eyes and sit throughout. That's it. Keep your body loose and close your eyes. That's the trick.
Okay, he did it for me. So yeah, guys, give him a round of applause by liking this video and subscribing to our channel if you haven't subscribed.
This ride is for me. This ride is for me.
It's a small train, the Bacha Wala train. So this ride wasn't that bad. It was fun,
It was
actually.
fun, yeah.
We are taking a break from rides and the games right now. So let's go and drop our bodies to the Beast store. Oh, they have these cool covers, phone covers, badges. Oh, the Beast keychains are really nice, I feel. The Beast mascots, bottles, and sweatshirts. Look at the t-shirts for 110. They are restocking the store. Oh, they have the chocolates. So we got these 2 chocolates for 15 riyals each.
What do you want?
Something to eat. I'm so hungry. This has costed us 32 Saudi riyals, which is roughly 650 INR, right? Around. So which sounds expensive, but for Saudi price, it's okay.
It's good. There are three types of tickets. First is the general admission, which costs 25 real, where nothing is included. It's just the entry to the park. Then you have the second ticket, which costs 99 real, where you have entry to the arena and you have three rides included. The final one is the Mr. Beast Plus, where you have entry to the arena games and as well as all the rides are free for you. Now we are at the mystery box and we don't know what exactly we have to do. Let's see what's inside the mystery box.
They'll just call you randomly to any one of the room and they'll give you the option. For me, it was like swapping balls. There was a tray. One had red balls and the other one had blue balls. So I just had to swap it within 30 seconds. So that was it. And I got 1000 points. So what about you?
So in my room there was three pipes. So I had to blindfold myself and walk over those three pipes and then come back without touching the pipes. So that was in 10 seconds we had to do.
That's
So
really
I
cool.
got 1000 points as well. I was able to do it.
Yeah, you're a master.
Oh, master, blindfold master.
The prize money has been increased from 300,000 reals to 1 million reals. Can you imagine? Beastland is open till 27th of December. So come here and experience Beastland before that.
After a lot of fight, we got this diary for 20,000 points. Not 20,000, this is just 10,000 points. But we had to fight a lot because they were saying it's closed, come tomorrow. It's still 11:15, it's open till 11:30. But I don't know what they were doing.
Two very sweet boys came up and said, "Are you guys on YouTube?" They subscribed to our channel. So here, check out what they have to say about Beastland.
It was good.
good
Yeah.
جميل جدا حلو
Which ride did you like the most?
The bungee jump. It was very good. Yeah, and the zip line.
So what's your point?
He got like 40,000 and I got 20,000.
Oh, that's amazing. Did you take the gift?
No. Tomorrow, inshallah. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Saud Aas.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
When on Beastland, definitely try out Energizer, and when it comes to games, definitely try out on bungee jumping if you're brave enough, Warrior and Airmail. ML, my personal favorite, and Maze. That's how we spent our 8 hours in this Beastland. Ultimately, if you're not chasing the prize money, it's a solid one-time experience, and we would give it a 7 out of 10. And if you're a serious gamer looking for points and those big cash rewards, then showing up here every day is definitely the best decision you can make. Before going, definitely subscribe to our channel, like this video, motivate us, because a lot of energy has been put in making this video. So please, guys, support us.